Hi, I'm Elwen and welcome to my kitchen, Croeso. Today I'm going to make a really nice recipe, making some kebabs, which are great really and fun for children to get involved with. Firstly, we need to make a marinade for the meat. So I'm just going to add some olive oil or oil of your choice into a bowl. Then I'm going to add into that a clove of garlic. I had fresh garlic today, but you could use garlic puree if you want to, or even some garlic powder, that would be fine. I've got the juice of 1 lemon, which is going in. Also, I'm going to add a little bit of herbs. Now, I've just got some dried herbs today, so about a teaspoon, that will be fine, of dried herbs, and a little bit of black pepper. And that's a very, very simple marinade, which is just going to add a little bit more flavour to the meat. But more than anything, it's just going to keep the meat nice and moist while it's cooking. I now need to just cut up the steak into nice big chunks. And as you can see, it's so lovely and tender. And I'm just going to trim off just a little bit of the fats that we don't need for the recipe, and I think I can get 3 cubes from that strip. So just carry on cutting your meat up into nice big chunks. I'm now going to pop the meat just into a bowl. So we put the lamb in first, and then I'm adding the beef. And with the marinade, I'm just going to use this just to coat the meats. Just stir well, and then ideally if you can give this about 30 minutes or so, that would be great. Just pop it into the fridge. I'm going to cover it in the fridge while we prepare our vegetables. This is where the fun part starts. All you need now is obviously your kebab skewers. Just grab the vegetable and very carefully put the skewer through. Go for your nice chunks of meats and just alternate with really nice colourful vegetables. Again, just using up a selection. Managed to get 10 kebabs out of that 1 steak and 1 Welsh lamb steak as well. So it really is enough to feed a family. I'm just going to pop them now onto the grill tray. Then with the marinade, just dot that over, and we're going to pop these under the grill for about 10 minutes, turning occasionally, 10 to 15 minutes. And again, it depends how you want the meat cooked. If you wanted to, if it's a nice sunny day, you could also put these on a barbecue, or you could finish them off in the oven.